All are welcome to the second class on graphical function. I hope you have studied our first video. In this video, you studied how to form a graph from f of x, and when a relation becomes a function. Such questions we have studied in our first video. In this second video, we are going to study the same question, same problem, but a little different. Okay? Consider the function f of x is equal to mod x plus 2. Find f of minus 2, f of 0, f of 2 and f of 4. Draw the graph of f of x. Write the domain and range of the function. First, we must consider the function f of x is equal to mod x plus 2. All of you know what mod x? Mod x gives only positive results. Mod minus 2 is equal to 2. Mod 2 is equal to 2. Mod 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Mod minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. So mod x means only positive numbers. The answer of any mod number is positive number. Okay. Consider the function f of x is equal to mod x plus 2. Find f of minus 2, f of 0, f of 2, f of 4. We have studied how we find out f of minus 2 from f of x is equal to mod x plus 2. We must find out f of minus 2. What is f of x? F of x is equal to mod x plus 2. F of minus 2 is equal to minus 2 comes instead of x. So we must put minus 2 instead of x. Mod minus 2 plus 2. Mod minus 2 is equal to 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. F of 0. F of 0 is equal to f of 0 is equal to mod 0 plus 2 is equal to 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. F of 2 is equal to mod 2 plus 2 is equal to 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. F of 4 is equal to mod 4 plus 2 is equal to 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. F of x is equal to mod x plus 2. F of minus 2 is equal to we must put minus 2 instead of x. Then we get mod minus 2 plus 2. Mod minus 2 is equal to 2. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. We have found out f of 0. F of 0 is equal to mod 0 plus 2. Mod 0 is equal to 0. 0 plus 2 is equal to 2. And then f of 2. F of 2 is equal to mod 2 plus 2. 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. And then f of 4. F of 4 is equal to mod 4 plus 2 is equal to 4 plus 2 is equal to 6. Okay. At first we consider the function f of x is equal to mod x plus 2, and f of minus 2, f of 0, f of 2, f of 4 are seen using the f of x is equal to mod x plus 2. This very easy question to find out. If we get f of x and finding out some f of minus 2, f of 0, f of 2 and f of 4. What is the next question? Next question is draw the graph of f of x. First question, we must ask ourselves what we must find out. We must draw the graph. What are given? Here given f of x. And next question, whether we know what a graph is or how we create a graph from f of x. Yes, we know. We do such a problem in last video or our first video. So we know how to create a graph from a function. Okay. How we draw the graph? In such questions we have studied, we must pick out 5 x representative. minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. But here it is not necessary to pick out the 5 values. Minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Why? Here is 4 x elements. Minus 2, 0, 2, 4. And we have found out the images of each of them. The image of minus 2 is equal to 4 and the image of 0 is equal to 2 and image of 2 is equal to 4 and image of 4 is equal to 6. Here 4 pairs, minus 2, 4, 0, 2, 2, 4, 4, 6. So, it is not necessary to pick out the first 5 elements, 2 positive numbers, 2 negative numbers and 0. That is minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2. Okay. Here is 4 ordered pairs. And also we can make a small box. Okay. X, Y. What are the ordered pairs? Minus 2, minus 2, f of minus 2, x minus 2, answer 4, y 4, 0, 2, 2, 4 and 4, 6. How we create this box? F of minus 2, answer 4, minus 2x representative 4y. F of 0, 0 x representative, answer 2y. And then f of 2, 2 x representative and 4 y representative. Then 4, 6, 4 x representative, 6 y representative. Okay. Drawing the graph of f of x, we need 4 or 5 pairs, ordered pairs. Here the first sub question gives 4 pairs, minus 2, 4, 0, 2, 2, 4, 4, 6. Next we draw x axis and y axis. Then we must find out the point minus 2, 4. The point minus 2, 4. X representative of the point is minus 2. So, minus 2 becomes the perpendicular to minus 2. And y representative 4. So, the point becomes the perpendicular to 4. So 2, 4. Here comes 2, 4. Here comes minus 2, 4. Minus 2, 4. Here comes. Next we must find out 0, 2. X 0, y 2, y 2. Here comes 0, 2. And next point 2, 4. X positive 2 here and 4 here. Here comes. Okay. And then next 4, 6. 4, 6. Four, 6. Here 2, 4. Okay. To draw a graph, we need 4 or 5 ordered pairs. We get 4 ordered pairs. So we draw x-axis and y-axis. Then we find out the points and connect the points. Okay. What is the next sub question? Write the domain and range of the function. In the last video we have studied how to find out the domain and range from a graph. To find out the domain, we must find out the root of graphical line according to the x-axis. According to the x-axis, the graphical line, here are two graphical lines. One graphical line from 0 to go left side. Next graphical line from 0 to right side. Endless. It goes endless. Here is the arrow. It goes endless. So, domain is equal to R. Domain is R. Domain is R. Why? According to the x-axis, the graphical line starts from 0 to left side, 0 to right side. So, all real numbers are in the set domain. So, domain is real number. Domain is R. R indicates real number. Okay. Range of the function. Range of the function, we must consider the y-axis. According to the y-axis, the graphic line goes through up or down. Here, the graphical line goes only up from 2, including 2. So, range is equal to 2 positive infinity. 2 positive infinity. 2 positive infinity. 2 included. So, here once closed interval. Closed interval. Okay. We must know how to find out the domain and range from a graph. Okay. From graph, it is easy to find out the domain and the range. We must consider the graphical line according to the x-axis is domain and according to the y-axis is range. Okay. It is easy to find out domain and range from a graphical expression of function. Okay. I think you may understand this lesson. If you get something in this video, you can give me a like to support me. And you may have some doubts. You can ask your doubts through the comment boxes. And you can write your opinions, your remarks, your points, all positive things. All the positive things you can write in the comment box. Goodbye, everybody.